welcome to Lisa B. Thank you for joining me. So this week we're concentrating on a 7-day stretch challenge. Today we're doing full body. If you think, can really 5-6 minutes really increase my flexibility? Absolutely, I cannot emphasize it enough. And also the really important thing is to hold the stretches for long enough. Quite often people work out and then they'll just do a really quick stretch and they're not holding each stretch they're doing it for like 5 or 6 seconds. The key is to hold each stretch for a minimum of 30 seconds, ideally a minute. So that's what we're going to work on today. So we're starting out with a nice full body stretch, really brief, 5 or 6 minutes, but doing it every day, getting this into your practice. And the ideal time is maybe after a workout or at the end of the day. Not really straight away in the morning with cold muscles. It's ideally best to just warm up a little bit more, warm up a little bit first and then go into a little bit of a stretch. So full body stretch day, 5 minutes, let's keep it brief. You will really notice a difference if you stick with these stretches. So have your feet about hip distance apart, try not to lock out the legs, bend the knees a little bit. Just check my watch because I lose track of time. So bring the arms up. And now drop the shoulders down. Try not to have the shoulders by the ears. Bring the body over to the left. Push the hips away from you. Keep the arms nice and long. Start to come up and go over to the other side. So as I say, some of these stretches, they're just nice little moving stretches. Some of them we're going to be holding for a lot longer just to really deepen the stretch and really get the benefits. So now a little bend in the knees as you warm up. So chin to chest and start to roll down. Just go as low as you can here. Don't feel like you've got to touch the floor. And start to come back up. Drop the shoulders. Let's go again. Inhale. Exhale, chin to chest, little bend in the knees, roll down. Let the head hang. Let the torso hang. Start to roll back up. Dropping the shoulders again. So now crossing one leg in front of the other, you can have your hand against the wall for balance. Again, just going as low as you can. Inhale, exhale down. Just really kind of melting into this, letting the torso hang, letting the head hang. Start to come back up. Really articulate the spine here, so really round the body as you're stretching. Opposite leg in front and start to roll down. Letting the head hang. Start to roll up. Okay, let's just go for a little bit of a hip and glute stretch. So again, hand against the wall for balance. So you're going to bend the left leg and bring the right ankle onto the thigh above the knee joint. Sink into this stretch. Bring the hands to prayer if that's comfortable for you. And push this knee down. Push the right knee down and away from you. Flex the foot here, so flex the top foot. Breathing into this. Trying to sink into the hips a little bit. And stare at a spot to help you balance. But again, hand can be against the wall here. A little wobble there. It's all good. Just come back to it. If you come out of the pose, come back to it. And start to come up. Other side. So make sure you bring it onto the thigh, just not onto the knee joint. Hands to prayer. Oh, style out that little wobble. It's because I'm not staring at a spot. Pull the belly in, engage the core, that's going to help you balance. Again, one hand against the wall. Open this knee, flex this top foot. Relax the shoulders, relax the face. Breathing into this. Sink a little bit deeper if you can. Again, start to come out of that. Let's stretch out the upper body a little bit. So bring the arms up, drop the shoulders down, keep them relaxed. So inhale to sweep your left arm back. Look back behind you. Oh, I'm going to touch the wall. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Come forward. and sweep it back. Keep the hips facing forward here, don't let the hips move. And forward, one more each side. Don't let the hips twist. Imagine you've got headlights on the hips. Keep them going forward, but look behind you where that arm is going. Coming forward and releasing down. We're going to roll down again and we're going to interlace the fingers behind us like so and push the hands up towards the ceiling. I'll do it side on so you can see. So take an inhale, exhale, chin to chest, start to roll down. Interlace the fingers behind you, push them up towards the ceiling or the wall behind you, again, not forcing it. Folding down, you might need a little bend in the knees. Breathing into this, trying to notice where the weight is distributed onto the feet. Try and keep it even. Lift the arms a little bit higher, roll the shoulders back. Start to come up, release the arms down, just fold forward. Let the head hang, couple of nods of the head, couple of shakes of the head. Rolling up. Drop the shoulders. Let's go for one more full body stretch. So take your legs nice and wide, toes facing forward, not out to the side. So take an inhale here. Exhale. Pull the belly in just to support the lower back. Hinge forward with a flat back. So coming forward. Let the head hang. Imagine touching the crown of the head towards the ceiling. Straighten the legs. Or you might need a little bend in the knees. The crown of the head might not go anywhere near the floor. That's okay. So inhale to take the left arm up towards the ceiling. Open throughout the whole spine. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm up. Reach up, look up. Keep the hand in front of the shoulder. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. And then hands to hips, or use the hands on the floor to help you pull the belly in. Come up. Oh, and there we have it. 5-6 minutes of stretching. I guarantee you will reap the rewards if you can continue to do this and fit this into your day. Who has not got 5 minutes? If you haven't got 5 minutes, quite frankly, I am disgusted. But anyway, I'm sure you have. Yeah, I hope you're feeling good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again. I will upload every day now for the next 7 days to just keep these stretches and the momentum going. Please check in, please subscribe down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I hope to see you soon.